I love using Kum Kee sauces in my cooking. They deliver maximum flavour with minimum effort. In this series, I'm going to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavours in easy everyday dishes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine sauces to create unique and delicious flavours in your cooking. Mixing sauces together is a great way to create new and exciting flavours using existing ingredients. Two flavours that pair perfectly are the rich umami notes of oyster sauce and the salty sweetness of sweet soy sauce. I like to slather oyster sauce onto cauliflower and roast it in the oven. Then fry a patty of rice seasoned with sweet soy sauce. To serve, just stack together with some fresh onion, carrot and spring onion. Beef mince is the perfect partner for oyster sauce. It soaks up that sweet savoury flavour beautifully. I like to wok fry it together along with a touch of dark soy sauce. Then serve with fluffy white rice, a boiled egg and some steamed broccoli. Finish with a drizzle of sweet soy sauce to add some umami to the greens. The two sauces also work perfectly in a stew. Fry off some ginger, onion and beef chunks in the wok. Then add in generous amounts of oyster sauce and sweet soy sauce. Throw in some celery, carrot, tomato and potatoes and simmer until the meat is tender. The sweet, comforting umami of the sauces really intensify when they're blended like this. It's the perfect warming dish for a cold evening. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to combine sauces to create some seriously tasty dishes. Let me know in the comments below how you like to combine sauces in your cooking, and don't forget to check out the rest of the Sauce Masterclass for some great recipe ideas.